Welcome! In today's video, we will be looking at Group 1 elements. We will focus on a few of their physical and chemical properties. Let's start off with some physical properties. Group 1 elements are all metals, which are grey in color. The shade of grey changes as we move down the group, with lithium being the darkest and francium being the lightest. Group 1 metals are quite soft, so they can be easily cut with a knife. Their softness changes going down the group, with lithium being the hardest, and francium being the softest. Because of their softness, these metals tend to have low melting points. The density of Group 1 metals increase going down the group. This is because the masses of elements are increasing. Here we have lithium, sodium, and potassium. Lithium has the smallest mass, so it's the least dense. While potassium has the largest mass, so it will be the most dense. Now let us look at some chemical properties of Group 1. Group 1 elements have one electron on their outermost or valence shell, which they readily lose during a reaction. This makes them very reactive. Their reactivity increases down the group. This is because the size of the atom increases down the group, making the valence electron further away from the attraction of the nucleus and thus easier to lose. Group 1 elements react with non-metals to form ionic compounds. For example, in the formation of sodium chloride, the sodium atom would donate its valence electron to chlorine, forming an ionic bond. Group 1 elements react vigorously with water to produce hydrogen gas and a metal hydroxide. For example, sodium will react with water to give sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. Because of the metal hydroxide, which is an alkaline substance produced during this reaction, Group 1 metals are called the alkali metals. Group 1 metals readily react with acids to form a salt and hydrogen gas. For example, when sodium reacts with hydrochloric acid, it forms sodium chloride, which is the salt, and hydrogen gas. Group 1 metals would quickly react with oxygen to form a metal oxide. For example, when sodium reacts with oxygen, sodium oxide is formed. Because of how quickly this reaction occurs, Group 1 metals are usually stored under oil. Did you know that these metals are found in nature as compounds such as sodium chloride and potassium chloride? Sodium and potassium are essential for biological functions such as muscle movement. Sodium and potassium are also used in many industries, for example in the production of soaps and detergents. While lithium is used in the production of batteries. These Group 1 metals have so many more reactions and uses. I hope you have found the information in this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos like this one.